My name is Luke Decker. I'm the Customer Care Manager here at the Better Business Bureau Serving Northern Indiana. And whenever businesses sign up for accreditation, one of the first things that the customer care team will want to do is to help you get into your BBB profile. I want to show you how to do this today. It's very easy. There's just a couple of steps to it, and the very first thing that you will want to do is go to our website, bbb.org. Once you're here, you will want to make sure that your location is accurate. So if you go up here, and I've noticed that my location is in Fort Wayne, Indiana. If this is not accurate, you'll want to click on the drop down here right by the globe, and then you will want to put in your location if that is not accurate. Usually if you hit current location, your computer settings should be accurate there, and then hit set location, and that will fix that for you. Once this is finished, you will click on business login right here at the very top. Once you're here, you're going to see a login screen that you will be able to log in the future with your email address and password. To establish a login, you will go to your right and click on the middle light blue button here that says Create My BBB Login Account. Once you're here, you'll want to put in your email address and then hit Email Me Now. You'll be receiving an email with instructions on how to reset your password here. And this is what that email looks like right here. You'll click on this link, and you'll be redirected to our website yet again to set up your own password. Once this is confirmed, you will hit Reset My Password, and then you'll be redirected to log in once more. Once then, you'll be able to log into your profile and be able to start editing your profile, getting the dynamic seal placed onto your website, and some other great things as well.